In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite login failed on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present multiple solutions that you can follow to address any issues attributed to Fortnite not being able to log in to your Epic Games account. So first, before you even start following the methods that I'm going to present, I would recommend that you go over to the Epic Games website and you look for the Epic Games server's status. You will be able to find this website that I'm showing you on screen. This website has all of the servers that Epic manages. If you notice that any servers available on this page are not operational for whatever reason, maybe because they are going through maintenance or they are having problems, then there's nothing that you can do. You simply have to wait until Epic Games fixes the issues on their end. If the servers are down and not operational, all the users, including you, will not be able to log into the game. Once this maintenance or this downtime is addressed by Epic, then you will be able to open the game and the issue should have gone away. Now, if you notice that the servers are operational, your friends can sign into the game, but you specifically cannot, then move on to the other methods that I have to present. One of the simplest way to fix any issues attributed to logging into the game or issues when you try to launch it is to select the game from your library, choose the options, and then select Check for Updates. By checking for any pending updates, you will be able to ensure that you are running the latest version of Fortnite. This is important because since Fortnite is a game that must be played online all the time, if you are running an outdated version of the game, you will not be allowed in. Everyone who is playing must have the same version of the game, so checking for any pending updates will help you address issues attributed to having an outdated version of Fortnite on your PlayStation 5. With this out of the way, the last thing that I would recommend is that you check the storage space on your device. Make sure that you have enough storage, because if you don't have storage space, you will not be able to download the latest updates. And if you've done all of this but it still doesn't work, then I would recommend completely uninstalling the game and downloading it again from the PlayStation Store. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite login failed on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.